Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to create Apple ID in any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to create your own Apple ID but you cannot, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So you just have to open up your settings and here you will get the option of sign up here in your Apple ID section. So you have to tap on that and try to sign up your Apple account. So the first thing is that you have to make sure that you are connected to internet or stable internet, and you have to go for general and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, because sometimes it might be that your VPN is connected so you cannot create your own Apple ID. So you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any software update, try to update your software. So simply tap on this update now option and your software will be updated. And once you have to retry to create or sign up your Apple ID, or if you cannot, so you have to switch to your browser. Open up your browser here and you have to simply search for Apple sign up. So you have to search here Apple sign up, and here you have to look for iCloud section. You have to tap on this iCloud option, and here you have to tap on the sign in option and then cross this, and you will get this type screen that you have to sign in with your Apple account. Here, if you have an account, you can easily log in here, or if you doesn't have any account, you have to tap on this create Apple account options. So tap on that option, and here you have to enter all the details which Apple wants from you. So you have to enter all of your details here, and once you have entered, you have to tap on this continue option, and your Apple account will be successfully created from here. Once you have created your Apple account, you can easily log in or sign in your Apple account in your phone. So in this way, you can easily create your Apple ID on any iPhone without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.